I'm out in my fitness gear. I've got my hairpiece on, as you can see, so it looks good. So I'm going to aim for about 15-20 minute run today, do loops around the park. So I'll do a video after my 15-20 minutes. So I'm on lap 10 around the park. You can actually see me running now and see how the hair system doesn't cause any issues at all. So probably try another 10 laps from here. When I'm done, I'll go straight home, a quick spray of the leave-in conditioner and brush it through, and that should be perfect. So I'll do a clip a bit later. So that's the run completed. Hopefully I keep this up daily. Still feeling good, but I've done about 20 laps, about 20 minutes or so. See, the hair system still looks pretty good, even in running. So I played squash, football, doesn't really matter. But I'll go home, bit of leave-in conditioner, as I said, and brush it through, and that's fine. This one's been on since I think it was Friday last week. So the only thing I hope is I keep up this fitness. Have a good day.